Alright, so I got the new part in. This is what was messed up on it. And this is the new one. I already put it in, you see? It's inside of a plastic. So when it broke, I wasn't able to tell. I got it on right now. And I'm just gonna install it in the car right now, so let's go. Alright. Computer's in. Let's see if it turns on. Think it's gonna turn on?
I think so.
Alright, let's see.
Everything looking good?
It's working, it's on by itself. Lit! I'm hyped right now, it's lit.
Wait, you're not pressing anything, right?
No, I'm not pressing anything, it's on by itself. The IAC is working. Oh yes. Alright, so it's working now. Perfect, it's on perfectly fine. I'm not gonna pick up the car because it's dark outside and looking like it's raining a little bit, but probably just give it like a little clean wash. But it's good though. Hype. I'm hype right now. The littlest problem took me forever to find out that it was just a little while. But it happens, whatever. Got the squad in the building. Julio, look at the camera. Yay! Upgraded. Got the camera, the new camera. Got the cars out.
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah, it's recording, bro. You got anything to say? What are you doing?
I'm trying to tighten up my alternator right now because it is very making.
Yeah, I heard it. Yeah.
So when I hit the car, it has
yeah.
power.
You probably losing power too from the battery, right? Because it's not charging it because it's loose,
when it
right?
squeaks, yeah, there's no power.
What do you need? I have tools in my car.
I need hook wrenches.
Go in my trunk. Yeah, go in my trunk. I should have the whole box there. Hey!
Okay.
I got your GoPro right here. Squad. We got the squad out here. We out?
Yeah.
We out. Ooh, on bags.
Even all the time you sending me videos and shit.
Yo, what y'all doing?
Sucking dick.
Damn.
Gotta be the only gay. I'm not gonna delete it. Look, it's him. He's the gay one.
I didn't see
You fix it?
Damn, yo, you got cons.
I can't pull it all the way back.
You're not even famous though.
already
nigga.
I
all the way.
get a
Small.
smaller belt. Alright, we're about to head to the meet now. Pick up one of my friend's cars and then heading straight to the meet. See you guys there. I'm gonna get some footage with the GoPro on the side of the car. So let's see how this goes. My first time with the GoPro outside of the car, but let's hope for the best.
Ryan Little.
Filling the car with gas. Yo, bro, air out one time for the people. Air out one time. The back. For sale?
Yeah, you see?
I mean, how much you want to pay for one?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How much you give me for this one?
What? No, I don't buy it. I think so. This is the
Alright.
showroom, the customer.
Oh, yeah, no, we just getting gas and stuff. Alright. Psych. My car ain't for sale. You crazy. cops here, so I don't even know what's going to go on. Wait, Jacob, watch. Hold on. The cops are here. Get in the car.
Oh, he went straight over there.
You got poop on your car.
He fucked it up. Yeah, for sure. I'm not good too.
Trying to kiss me.
Hey, yo.
Trying to kiss me. Yo, get the fuck out of here.
Yo, it's really dead though. Put that GoPro in your ass. You want to put it in your ass?
This nigga's gay, bro.
He said put it in your ass. Yo, but it's really dead though.
That shit a whack, bro.
This wasn't me more. I think it's because, like I said, people said it was not happening, and then it happened. A little piece in there.
Yeah, there's a piece in there.
How is your wire in there? Did they run it straight? Like they just shoved the wire in there?
Yo, bro, how am I supposed to know, my nigga? Yo.
This is your car. How you don't know? How you don't know what happens with your car?
Yo, I'm stop
Look.
fucking with you, bro. I'm gonna block your shit.
No wonder there's no. Bro, that's from the other plug. That's from the other plug. No wonder you're not getting
down
nothing.
here. Oh my god, look at how dirty that shit is.
Yo, why you gotta?
Hey, you don't got brake cleaner?
Yo, bro, I'm about to
got brake cleaner?
sell my shit, huh?
You got brake cleaner?
Go forward. Why are you going backwards? You could have just made a circle and just turn around to see if that speed sensor works. You dirty. What you smelling your fingers for?
Stinks, man.
Alright, let's see if it pops speed. Let's see if the speed sensor works. Right now, what do you think? You think it's gonna work or not?
I don't know. We'll see right now.
Let's see. He's gonna come back disappointed.
Which one y'all boosted or not? Boosted?
It's not tuned. It's not tuned. It's good, no?
There, bro.
Yeah, but wait until take all.
Oh, no, you wanna tilt it? Yeah, do that.
So you're gonna take. Oh, you're trying to clean the speed sensor, not the thing.
Nah, man, it's the bullshit. That's what it is.
Oh, you should have told me, man. I got the tools in my bag. They're not even snap on though.
Bro, there's so much fucking.
Yo, you want me to do this shit, bro?
How many people does it take to switch out a speed sensor?
It's a Honda, bro.
1, 2. Alright, let's see the process of this. Oh, looking at my car. Let's see the process. Y'all took it out?
Yes, Dad.
Took it out yet?
Nah.
God damn it, yo, you jinxed my shit, B. That's the Acura lifestyle.
Why your intake temperatures sensors? I mean, your thing is.
That's just how it comes.
Huh?
This shit works without it?
What?
This shit works without it?
He has it on his manifold.
Yeah, but there's two of them. EKs have two.
Yeah, but remember,
I was just wondering where's the other one piece. I was thinking the same
mine
thing.
doesn't work. Mine doesn't work, but they said I could tune. They said I could tune the car without it though. So.
That's the fucking hey, get out of here.
You missing the? Yo, hold on. Let me get light. Let me see. It's not even there. It was in the other.
It was in it. Yeah, it got.
It was in the other. It was in the. Yo, take it out. You got a solder with you? You can solder it. You got crazy glue. Yo, just drive without it. Let oil go all over the place. Cause I bought that one before. The top piece is like the top piece. I think is from the automatic. It is. Yeah, bruh. I remember I had bought one and the top piece was automatic. Just see if it plugs in. Cause if it works, I'm flinging
that
this.
gear.
2 Jay-Z Beamer. Everybody leaving. Hey, about to start drifting. Ooh. Nah, his clutch is way different than mine. See, the speedo works. Oh yeah, it does work. He wasn't lying. It does work. What you want me to do? I don't need pictures. I've seen it in person.
Hey, yo.
I really have them.
Julio showing us some porn right quick. Yo, you're not underage, bro. You could go arrested for that.
That's
Chicks
all,
with dicks.
that's all from WhatsApp.
Going to the input.
Oh! My car's a limo!
That's what I'm saying. That is speed.
No, there's an app though. You know what? Nah, it's because he has an Android, so it looks
Why you
different.
call it like that, bro?
I should never did that.
Why you call it like that, bro? Look at this shit, bro.
Let me tell you what app to download right quick.
Nah, that shit look free, bro.
Don't like downloading apps, man. My fucking phone's already slow, man. I can't slow like your car, nigga. Your car there, my car there, boy. Let's go.
How you got a fast car, bro, and a slow phone, bro?
It happens.
You need to put a K on that shit.
What do you mean? I got a fast phone and a slow car.
Oh, nah, that's normal, like, you know.
So what do you have? A slow phone and a slow car?
Hey, there you go, man.
And paid air.
And what?
And paid air. What happened was, I just learned how to drive stick.
Yeah, let me see how you drive stick, bro.
Are you doing a burnout? Oh, I'm on to say, because you like...
Yeah, you're getting ready, bro. I got the... Oh, shit. Yo, bro, you good, my nigga? Yo, this nigga learning how to drive.
Give me lessons.
Yeah, let me put your car for it.
Oh, shit.
That's just calling out the ready kid that only hits 4,000.
Wait, when did it...
Yo, that car's louder, my nigga. Yo, my shit's louder.
The meat was super whack. So I'm calling it a night. I'm gonna get some food. Just head back to the. Oh, just scraped all over. Damn. I'm gonna get some food and just head back to the house. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, and until next time, hopefully have go to like a better meet or something. So thank you guys for watching again.